These companies have promised that for every view this YouTube video gets, they'll each donate 1p towards our cause. Hi there, I'm Leo and I'm from Replant the Trees, and I'd like to begin this video by saying a massive thank you to you for watching it, because just by watching this you are actually helping to save the rainforest, which is a tinsy bit amazing. I mean, think of the animals like the toucan and the colourful frogs and the majestic gorilla. I mean, think of the gorillas. You're actually helping them to be free to do whatever it is that fills them with that sense of joy. That sense of fucking gorilla! I'll teach you now, banana wielding nutsack!